Jam Jam. Sister Tinu, why are you going with so much load on your head? Is your place and Kuku coming to? We did Ikore, my shasha vest. My shash, so this part of the things that I packed. This is my own share, part of it. If you see my kitchen now, very full. So I said, let me come and give my friend part of it. This is my own share. So I said, let me come and give you my friend.
Oh my God! Wow!
That is so kind of you. Wow, Sister Tinu. Thank you so much. No problem. This much. Thank you. I'm really grateful. What are we for each other for? Thank you so much. Hey, Jam Jam. I came to give you gist. Sister Tinu of the Most High. Gist. Sister T. I thought you don't gossip.
Chai!
I don't normally gossip. I don't normally gossip. But gist is different. Gist is gist. You know, gist is when friends are talking among themselves. But gossip is when you are talking bad about people. When you are talking about people behind their back. That's gossip. But me, I'm not talking behind anybody. I'm talking what I saw. Okay. I'm all ears. Jam Jam. I saw so many candidates of hell today. Plenty of them. From boys to girls to women to adults to children. Hell candidates. Satan will have visitors. In fact, that hell will be full. Why? But in Bini, no. That's how they ask somebody. Thank you for asking, Jam Jam. I thank you for asking. Shebi, you are the one that said I should go and look for work. Yes, I did. That's how I was going about the streets today. I said, okay, let me be entering shops one by one to be asking them, are you people do you need cleaner? Do you need washer? Do you need this? You understand? So, because you are concerning your advice, I said, let me follow your advice that Jam Jam said I should go and do something with my life folder. Let me also go and be praying every day. Let me also work, which I also reason, and I see that it also makes very good sense. I said, okay, let me go and look for vacancy. As I was going on this road, going, I began to see people, men, women, different things. I said, hey, I hear me do the hellfire.
Oh no, it's big rules and things about to get
Yeah. Go do that. Okay. Papa, no. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Hey, what about your mommy? She's at home. There's school uniform now. I know school by this time. You don't go to school. Hey, it's not good. You know hell, fire, burn. You know it. Fire, hell. You know it. You don't know. You know heaven. You go to heaven. Good. Hell straight. My eyes saw. In fact, the devil has a special place for them like this in his palace. So that VIP in hell. I know. I've marked all their faces. All the people that are going to hell, I know them. Sister T. First of all, do you know it is very wrong to go about the streets harassing people and condemning what they wear or what they do or the way they look. It is very wrong to do that. You can't just go about the streets, stopping people and asking them questions. You could get arrested for constituting public nuisance. Do you know that?
Hey, Jesus Christ!
Jam arrested. But arrested, what are you saying again?
You don't have people.
What did we carry? What did you throw? Kilagbe kiloju. Jam arrested. I was just telling them the truth. Like all those ones are smoking, you know. Oh, you see, I saw one with tattoo like this all over his body. That one, in fact, is second in command to Satan's chair. Satan's chair. After that chair is the one that will sit beside it. Yes! I am very sure of that. That one, he has tattoo all over his face like this, all over. I saw one girl too. That one, in fact, I even asked her that, sure your mommy did not see you when you were going out. What is this you are wearing? She wore only leggings and only pants. I was seeing pants like this outside. Jam, nakedness of omoluabi. I say, hey, what is this? Why will they arrest me? I'm only telling them the truth. I'm not preaching the gospel of Christ that God sent me. That if they don't repent, they will go to hell. And I don't want them to perish. The Bible says we should be our brother's keeper. That's why, because I love them, not me. I don't want them to burn in hellfire. Because if they don't, in fact, that one that I have tattoo, he can't even go to heaven. Yes! I am so sure. Even if he change all the tattoo, he will still go to hell. Because that tattoo is empty. And I saw one girl and boy. I can't even say it with my mouth because it's too heavy. They were, you understand that thing? It's too dirty for me to even say it. You know that thing I'm saying? They were using their mouths to touch each other's mouths in public. Jam. Aroma pony fire. Aroma shaking your fire.
Continue.
You get arrested. Jam. Which one are you saying again?
Hey, Jesus!
Which one are you saying? I'm beginning to suspect you. Hey, Abisha will not move away from this house like this so that you will not corrupt me.
Jesus!
I'm disappointed in you.
Oh my God!
Jam, how can you say that?
Continue.
I'm suspecting you. How can you say it's good to be naked, to be going out naked, to be smoking outside, to be drinking, to be partying, to be going naked, to be doing tattoo? Even have one girl I saw. Your hair like this, she have like 20 pairs.
Hey, Jesus Christ!
Yes, 20 pairs. Put ring in her nose. I say, Are you saying that it's good? Jam. For Andy me gone. In fact, I should be afraid of you now. Kimba, be careful, friend. I should be careful of you. No, Sister Tinu. No, that's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying. Don't get me wrong. Of course, you know I will not in any way support indecency or encourage indecency or nudity, as you call it. But at the same time, Sister T, we have no rights. We have absolutely no right to judge other people. What rights do we have? Who made us judge over fellow human beings like us? It is only God who has this template. It is only God who has the right to judge others. Oyinbo inani. Jam. What for Oyinbo say? Oyinbo ipo. Okay. What does Matthew 7:1-3 say? Oh, today you have come again. Be asking me Bible every time. In fact, I'm going to my house because why will you every time you'll be asking me Bible? You think I don't know Bible? All the old Bible is in my head like this. In fact, A to Z in my head. There's no place to ask me in that Bible. I can't tell you. What do you mean? Every time be asking me, you think I don't know it? I have everything. In fact, you think it's me and Judas Iscariot that sat down and wrote that Bible.
Oh my God.
Okay. Oh yeah, it says, do not judge so that you too will not be judged. For in the same way you judge others, you will be judged. And with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. Why do you look at the speck of sawdust in your brother's eye and pay no attention to the plank in your own eye? Okay. Let me now bust your head. Okay, let me bust your head. What of 1 Corinthians 6:19?
Continue.
That say our body is the temple of God. What about that? You think I don't know it?
Oh my God.
What are you going to say about that one? That say our body is the temple of God. How can your body be temple of God and you draw tattoo on the temple of God? How can you pierce all the temple of God? How can you open all the temple of God outside and be showing people all the temple of God? How can you say temple of God and you be doing all those bad things and be in public, in outside? They are not Mario. If you see those children, I tell you, small children like this that wear uniform, school uniform.
Oh my God.
I say and they do I say I wanted to say, come on, look at your mommy and daddy. If I wanted to even slap them, say, let me know, because those children, if I have to say I marry on time, if it's that day that Brother Joshua was pushing me that I agree, I would have born those children. I would have born those children, those kind of children. I would have born them. If not, because Brother Joshua did like that for me. I would have born those children. And I say, children, I say, in fact, is that what you are saying? Yes, you are very right, sis. But let me also leave you with John 8:7, which says that it's without a sin among you. Let him first cast a stone at her. You remember the story of the adulterous woman? Calm down. Give me back my fruits. Give me back my fruits, John. I won't give it to you. I'm sorry. Rubbish care. Every time I come to your place, you just be preaching to somebody. You just not even allow somebody rest.